In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for beginners. Let's dive in and get you acquainted with this versatile project management tool. First things first, I'm going to assume you've already created an account and are ready to navigate your new space. So, let's take a look at what you see when you first log in. When you enter Monday.com, you land on the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your projects and tasks. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with several important options. Here, you have the Home button, which always brings you back to where you are right now. Below that is the My Work section, providing a focused view of tasks assigned specifically to you across various projects. Additionally, you'll see a More button, which will reveal further useful features and integrations you might want to explore later on. Moving further down on the left, you'll find Workspaces. These are essentially different project environments allowing you to organize your various projects, tasks, and teams. Think of each workspace as a dedicated area to hold related boards and processes. Within each workspace, you can manage separate projects and dashboards, and importantly, reporting features, which help you track progress and outcomes effectively. Now, shift your attention to the top right of your screen. This is where notifications come into play, keeping you informed of any updates or changes within your projects. Plus, you can add new users, helping you to expand your team as needed. Right beside is the Marketplace search, a place packed with third-party applications that can enhance your Monday.com experience. Whether you're looking for time-tracking tools, additional analytics, or creative integrations, you'll find a wealth of options here to explore. Finally, as you look to the lower right of your screen, you'll find the Help button. This feature is your best friend when beginning your journey with Monday.com. Here, you can access tutorials, guides, and support to answer any questions or resolve issues as you learn the platform. Putting all these pieces together allows you to take command of Monday.com effectively. Keeping organized is a breeze once you familiarize yourself with the workspace and the tools available at your fingertips. Embrace the options to customize your experience and collaborate more efficiently with your team. As you explore and experiment, you'll discover how Monday.com can cater to your specific project management needs, improving productivity and communication across your projects. There you have it. A breakdown of the Monday.com interface so you can hit the ground running, laying the foundation for effective project management and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!